Hi, this is me, Linda, and welcome to my channel, Linda's Mysteries. Today you're gonna learn everything about this beautiful tarot card. It's the fifth of tarot cards and it's called the Hierophant. What it means is that it is somebody who has a bit of religious leading position. Spiritual leading position also counts. So as you can see in the visual here, this might be more of a Tantra priestess. It can also be somebody who's a cult leader, it can also be a pope, it can be a priest, it can be somebody who is giving you information that is slightly spiritual or religious. So we're looking at also other bits of an archetype here, and the main position here is between a scholar and a teacher, because we see that relationship in ourselves throughout life, but also in these specific occasions when you do believe in something spiritually or religiously. So if we're looking at us, we are either scholars or teachers ourselves. I'm curious to know in the comments below what you feel more connected to at this moment. Being a scholar, learning, or teaching somebody something. I think I'm in the teaching at this specific moment. So I'm very curious to know your feelings. If you want to know more about tarot cards like this or other ones, please sign up to my newsletter, which I send out every 2 weeks-ish. And it's all about you being able to learn more about tarot cards and how they can help to develop your intuition. And that is meant for your spiritual growth. Of course, it's going to increase your self-trust, do lots of amazing mindful spiritual practices through the lens of tarot. So if you're interested, sign up. And in the meantime, this is me, Linda, and this channel is meant for your most blissful growth. And I'll see you next time. Ciao!